Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1186 of 1516 Upper Deck Trilogy. The last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on January 26 at 6:16 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day and time, it's currently Wednesday, January 27th at 12:51 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate if you did. You can register your account there and scroll down and see everything else in the queue right there. And we are live on Breakers TV here as per normal for breaks 1186. And these are boxes 3 and 4 from our case. We don't have serial numbers just because we listed a break before we open our case. So we'll post Trilogy break 1185, which was from yesterday. So that haven't been following it. And serial numbers from box 3 was 6291. Box 4 was 1030. And then we'll quickly just go over the shrink wrap. That's it. So here we go, everyone. Box 3, which is 6291. And we start the break off with a rookie premieres of Max Domi out of 599 for the Arizona Coyotes. Got a career statistics of Eric Stahl out of 430 for the Hurricanes. Have a career statistics of Tyler Johnson out of 395, and just letting you know that bottom left foil corner is soft. You'll see a lot of these cards which manufactured damages, which is kind of crappy, but what do you do though? Next one is a rookie premieres of Mikko Rantanen out of 999. That's the guy that's following us quite a bit in this product. 2 of his tier 3s already. And a ton of his other autos. Got a Nathan McKinnon out of 433 for the Avalanche. We got a Gustav Nyquist jersey 22/111 for the Detroit Red Wings. A redemption. And, well, nice break here for the Avalanche. We got a Trilogy Ice Scripts, no numbering, of Gabriel Landeskog going out to the Colorado Avalanche. Oh crap, I forgot to move my other screen over, but we'll just leave it on the screen there. Sorry for the guys, that's going to distract you guys if it's a double loop or something. We got a level 2 rookie premieres of Josh Anderson out of 499 for the Blue Jackets. And on to box number 4 of 9 from the case, which is 1030. Do you have the Sabres tonight, Derek? We got a career statistics of Jordan Eberle, 318 of 356 for the Oilers. We got a Trilogy rookie of Jake Virtanen out of 999. On to the Vancouver Canucks. And a Triptychs autograph going out to the Philadelphia Flyers of Dave Schultz. Dave Schultz. Number 52 of 60. And a Rookie Premier's jersey for the Arizona Coyotes of Henrik Samuelsson out of 599. Got a Gustav Nyquist career statistics number 160 of 413 for the Red Wings. And a signature pucks. Wow, probably the worst color that you can use on this. Going out to the Boston Bruins of David Pastrnak. It's like the gold on blended in with the yellow. David Pastrnak. Going out to the Boston Bruins. Nice. And nice. We got a level 2 Rookie Premier's autograph, the parallel version, number 7 of 199 of Sam Bennett. Sam Bennett for the Calgary Flames. Nice. And final pack of our break, guys. Good luck to the teams that haven't got a hit here. And finishing up with a Nick Cousins. Oh, got caught around the top of the damaged decoy there. Out of $9.99 for the Flyers. These decoys are pretty bad there. And base. So there we have it, guys. So tomorrow, anybody interested in Random Team Trilogy or Black Diamond, we do have some more for tomorrow. And what else do we got? Yeah, we got Black Diamond again and Double Trilogy for tomorrow night.